Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. Today I am going to walk through the one-page application of the PPP 3508EZ Forgiveness Form. Okay, maybe I said the word backwards, but that's what we're going to do today. If you followed me before on my tutorials with the government, I always use a fictitious name, and this fictitious name I always use is Any Paycheck. So Any Paycheck does have a Any Paycheck LLC. We will put that in her business name. So the first section of this form is just regular formalities. Business name, DBA or trade name, your business address, your EIN, business phone number, primary contact information, and your email address. Okay, so normal business stuff. Okay, now this form only can be used for individuals or businesses that received a PPP loan less than $50,000. So you're the only one that's eligible for this form. PPP, if you have a PPP loan and you receive $50,000 or less. If you receive more than $50,000, you cannot fill out this form, okay? So this next section is a SBA PPP Loan Number. You're asking, what is that? If you don't have this information, you need to contact your lender. Your lender should have received, and it actually should have been in your loan documents, should have received an SBA loan number, okay? This is different from the lender's loan number. So if you cannot locate that loan number, you need to contact your lender, and your lender should be able to provide that for you. Do not contact the SBA because they're not going to be able to help you. Contact your lending bank and they should be able to provide that loan number for you. Okay? So the next field is the lender PPP loan number. That loan number should be on your loan document. And if you receive the PPP loan through your bank, if you sign on, like I could sign on and see my loan PPP number, that is the loan number your bank assigned to you, okay? So SBA loan number is different from the lender's loan number, okay? The next field is the PPP loan amount. The PPP loan amount is just that money that you received from the bank, the actual loan amount, okay? So if you received $30,000, you should put the exact loan amount in that field. Paycheck Annie, she received, or Annie Paycheck, she received exactly $25,000. And her loan was dispersed on April the 30th. Oh, no. Her loan was dispersed on April the 1st, 2020. Okay? At the time of her loan disbursement or loan application, she had 3 employees. And the time of forgiveness of the application, this is the date we're filling out the application. So today, how many employees do you have? Your EIDL advance amount, you want to put that in that field. Your EIDL application number, you want to put that in that field. That's if you receive the economic injury disaster loan. The advance amount is that money that mysteriously or miraculously that you receive from the SBA without signing any loan documents. Okay, so that's the advance. But if you sign the loan documents and you didn't receive the advance prior to that, that advance amount will be zero. So your loan application, your payroll schedule, and your cover period. Your cover period is 10 weeks, okay? If yourself and other affiliates received more than $2 million in PPP loans, you want to check here. This is for individuals that have more than one business and receive multiple PPP loans. Payroll and non-payroll costs. What in that time period, 10 weeks time period, the government, the PPP loan amount was 2.5 months of your payroll. So we say it's 10 weeks. How much did you pay out during that time period in payroll? What was your business mortgage entrance payments? What were your business rents and lease payments? What were your utility payments? So if you paid out anything in that 10-week period of time on line 1 through 4, you want to put the dollar amount on the appropriate field. Potential forgiveness amount. All you're doing is on line 5, you're adding up 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is your potential loan amount forgiveness. Okay? So you want to add those line items up and put that dollar amount on that line item. Line 6, what was your actual loan amount? Line 7. Line 7 is kind of tricky. It's not really that tricky because it's kind of telling you what to do. But they basically is trying to see if you actually spend 60% of your PPP loan on payroll costs. That was one of the rules, okay, to be forgivable. You want to divide your $15,000 divided by 0.60. So line 1 divided by 0.6, you should get your loan amount. So Annie Paycheck did pretty good. She spent exactly 60% of her loan amount on payroll. It could be higher. So if you spend 70%, or even if you spent 100%, that means you're going to probably get 100% forgiveness, okay? Okay, so the forgiveness amount. They're saying on line 8, forgiveness amount, enter the smallest of lines 5, 6, or 7. So whatever the smallest amount is, that's what they're going to forgive you. Okay? So the smallest amount here is $18,460. Okay? So she still got to pay some of that money back. Now, this next field is basically asking you, are you lying on any of the information you provided? And if you are lying, they will prosecute you. Okay? So that's basically what it's saying. So you want to read it through and initiate. Oh, not initiate, initial. So initial all the fields and then sign and date it. This application should be sent to your lender, not the SBA. The SBA don't have nothing to do with it. I mean, they do final approval, but your lender will go through your application and make sure everything is right. They will approve it, and then they will send it over to the SBA, and the SBA will do the final approval for your forgiveness. So there you have it, folks. Please drop your questions in the comments section. If you want me to do the long form, which is pretty complicated, I don't want to do it. I could try to put that video out. Just drop it in the comment section. But I have a feeling that most of you are 1099 employees, that your loan was probably $50,000 less. And if it was, this short form is a blessing in disguise. Okay? So drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions. Find me on Facebook and Instagram. I am sending all my good to you, and I will talk to you soon.